All right, so what I've done here is I've logged in as the broker or the property manager in the app, the Android app. As you can see, it's a little different than the Realtor version of that app. It's the same exact app, but it's just a different person logged in. When the person logs in as an admin, they see a different screens here. So let's just go through those real quick, and then I'll show you the same exact capabilities that are on this phone on the admin are available here in our web app. So you'll be able to do exactly the same here. All right, so let's go here. So let's look at rent analysis here on the left. These are all the rent analysis that this specific user requested. They can see them, they can request rent analysis. However, if I go on the right and go to rent analysis here, this broker, property manager, can see all the rent analysis that were requested from that broker, in this case, RentPros Property Management, and they're able to see all of those. Okay, so so let's say we want to request a new rent analysis on the left here. So we're going to do that real quick. I'm going to put in a good address, 4567. And I'm going to tap on request new rent analysis here. Okay. Now, as you can see, there's a new notification that came into the broker. If this app was not actively being used, for example, if it was off here, or maybe if the phone was completely off, it would show up. But you can see there's a little 3 here. It means another notification is available. So I'm going to tap on that, and then you can see here there's a new notification that came in. Okay. Now, I can see the new rent analysis here on the right, and the status is pending. I can see who requested a rent analysis. I can call them or email them here, or I can just look at this address. I can highlight it and look at the map if I don't know where that is. But in this case, I'm going to save time and assume that I've done that, and I'm ready to give a rent analysis. I'm going to tap on give rent analysis. I'm going to give it, let's see, $1,500. Nope. And then I'm going to write something in here. Okay. And the good part about this is I can also include a link. For example, some of you guys also include a rent analysis or comps from a third party that you generate off online. You can also send a share link in here. So the way you do that is you just highlight the URL, okay, and then you just hit this one right here. So let's say this is going to be the document. I'm going to just highlight this. Come on. And then I'm going to hit this little chain, and that becomes the link. Now, so let's say that's the link. I'm going to submit a rent analysis. And what that's going to do, it's going to give a push notification to the property, to the realtor here. Okay, as you can see, there's a push notification saying that there's a rent analysis available. I would just tap on that and open it, and it would go directly to the rent analysis. And now this realtor is able to see your analysis and a link to your external document if you want to include it. They can also call you. They can also email for other questions. Now, it works exactly the same for all the other things. So for referrals, same thing. You would request a referral. They can also, look at their contacts, and then they can also um, give you a referral from their contacts from here, and they will do exactly the same thing. So let's just say that we do that, and then submit it. It would show up on the right here with a push notification there is a new referral. You can then go in to referrals. Let's say here, let's say there's a new one here, and you can change the status. And then let's say this one's going to be paid, or let's see, we're going to use one that is already here. So let's do Svetlana. Okay. Yep. So let's say that this one is converted and now paid. So we're going to change the status here to paid. Okay. And we're going to say we gave them $500. Okay. I'm going to submit. And then this person is going to get a push notification that there's a new referral. Yep. As you can see here, there's a new referral. And I tap on that. And now it shows up as paid. So as you can see, it works pretty similar. Now let's go on the right here, and you can see now the person on the left, which is the realtor, sees all your articles, but you have an ability to edit them, not only see them, but edit them here. Okay, you can update them. You can also add a new insight, completely new. You can also start typing something, and if you're not done, you're in the middle of something, you can save it. And whenever you're ready to save it and publish, then tap on Save and Publish. And it works the same way with About Us. So same thing. You want to add a new section, you're welcome to do that. You can also edit the existing one. Okay, and we're not going to do that right now. And the part that is very interesting is this right here. You can also send push notification to people, to all your users, not just individual users. So let's say we do this. All right, so what this is going to do is going to send a push notification to all the users that use your app, all the realtors that use your app. Okay. Oh, it's going to say send notification now. Okay, and tap on that. And as you can see, there's a new notification that goes out. And when they tap on that, they're able to see all of that information. They can just go to that notification. Okay, and it also shows up here. And it shows up right here. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of benefits for the broker right inside the app. They can do all of these things on the go when you're in between meetings where you're not next to a computer. However, there are some cases that you might want to use this in the computer. For example, whenever you want to add an insight or about us that requires a lot of typing or pasting. We also have an option where you can do that from the web app. So you would just go to app.pmreferralapp.com and then log in as your broker account, and you're able to do all of that from here. So let me show you how that works. You can see here rent analysis. Okay, so you can edit them here. Let me get this guy out of the way so you can see. Okay. As you can see, you can edit them, you can delete them here. Okay, so you can do all of this right from the web app. You can also, what you can't do on the phone is you can also look at your customers from the web app and you can delete them. For example, if somebody registered once and they want to delete their account for some reason, you can delete them. All right. All right. So anyway, you can do pretty much everything you can from the web app and your regular app, whichever one you prefer. Okay, so let's just look at that. Most people use the insights here because it just allows you to type a lot of stuff, and if you want to paste it, copy and paste it from somewhere, you can do that here. All right, so I hope this gives you a better understanding of what this app is able to do and what it's going to do for you. So as we talked about before, all of the branding is going to be yours. There's going to be your logo, your colors are going to be different. So for example, if your brand color is green, these buttons will turn green. Also, so these buttons will turn green. All of these buttons will turn green. All of these buttons will turn to your branding color. So I hope you now have a greater understanding what the app is, what it's going to look like for you, and I hope you're excited and looking forward to the launch. If you still don't have this app and you're not a beta user, you haven't signed up yet, you can go to our website, renterinc.com/app, and you can sign up there. All right. Hope you have a good day. Thank you.